Well, hello there, home viewers. Suzanne Schneider here, choreographer, dancer, and performer. Tonight, I wanted to share a little bit of my other side with all of you. Now, I know that all of you know me as this performer who has always maintained the highest level of excellence and integrity as a choreographer, dancer, performer. But today, I wanted to show you a little bit of my stank side. Now, this is a song that came out, fairly recently. I think it's new, because I've never heard it before. And I stumbled across it as I was surfing the AM channel, and, it really hit me as a stroke of genius. Today, you're going to see a lot of maybe what you might call popping and locking. You're going to see a lot of to the flow. That's the floor. You're also going to see a lot of very criminal-inspired movementation that will really blow you away, knock your socks off, if you will. So, without further ado, this is Low by Florida.
Let me talk to him. Let me talk to him. Let it rain. Let me talk to him. Come on. So they have them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turn around and gave that big booty a smash. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Hey, I ain't never seen nothing that'll make me go this crazy all night, spinning my dough. Had $1 million vibe in the body to go. Them birthday cakes, they stole the show. So sexual, she was flexible, professional, drinking Xano. Hold up, wait a minute, do I see what I think I will? Did a thing I seen, sure to get low. Ain't the same when it's up that close. Make it rain, I'm making it snow. Work the pole, I got the bang bro. I'ma say that I prefer them no clothes. I'm into that, I love women exposed. She threw it back at me, I gave her move. Cash ain't a problem, I know where it goes. She had them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turn around and gave that big booty a smash. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Hey, shawty, what I gotta do to get you home? My jeans full of guap and they ready for shows. Cadillacs Maybach for the sexy grown. Put tone on the rocks that'll make you moan. 1 step, come on. 2 steps, come on. 3 steps, come on. Now that's 3 grand. What you think I'm playing? Baby girl, I'm the man. I did a rubber band. That's what I told her. Her legs on my shoulder. I knew it was over. That Henny and Cola got me like a soldier. She ready for Rover. I couldn't control her. So lucky on me, I was just like a clover. Shorty was hot like a toaster. Sorry, but I had to fold her like a pornography poster. She showed her apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turn around and gave that big booty a smash. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Yeah, she was worth the money. The mama mama took my cash, and I ain't want it back. The way she bent that ass, got her them paper stacks, tattoo above her crack. I had to handle that. I was on it, sexy woman, get me shown and made me want it. 2 in the morning, I'm zoning.